In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor orientation between landscape or portrait mode on your Dell laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select system on the left panel here. And then you want to go and select where it says display over here on the right. Scrolling down where it says display orientation, assuming your device supported it, there'd be an option to drop down either landscape or portrait mode. You make that selection and then the change should take effect immediately. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.